In a lush, tropical rainforest, a brilliantly colored parrot named Percy was known for his storytelling prowess. His emerald, sapphire, and crimson plumage was matched only by his charismatic wit. One sunny morning, a group of young toucans approached Percy's tree, eager to hear his latest tale. "Hey, Percy! We heard you've got a new story," they called. Percy, perched gracefully on a branch, winked and said, "You've heard right, my friends. But first, let's have some fun." Percy mimicked the jungle sounds, the monkey's laughter, the river's gurgle, and the whisper of the wind. The toucans joined in the playful symphony, enchanted by Percy's talent. When the forest came alive with sound, Percy began his story. Once upon a time, in a distant land called Azuria, lived a legendary parrot named Azul. His feathers were like the endless ocean, and his beak was as sharp as a sword. Azul was on a quest to find a hidden treasure that promised boundless happiness. The young toucans were captivated. As Percy narrated Azul's adventures through dense jungles, treacherous mountains, and mystical caves, they journeyed alongside the brave parrot. After hours of storytelling, Percy reached the climax. At last, Azul reached the heart of Azuria, a magnificent waterfall. As he approached, the mist unveiled the hidden treasure, a radiant emerald like no other. But when Azul touched it, he felt warmth and joy. The real treasure was love and happiness from within. The toucans erupted in applause, admiration shining in their eyes. "Remember, friends," Percy said, "the most precious treasures are the bonds we create, the stories we share, and the love we give." From that day, Percy's tree became a haven of storytelling, laughter, and friendship. The animals learned that the true treasure lay in their relationships, making the rainforest a magical place to live. Percy's stories remained the heart and soul of the forest, celebrating the power of imagination and friendship in nature.